If you're a filmmaker who's just starting out, get ready to hear, please show us your portfolio from your first potential clients. But what if you don't have much to show and therefore can't get clients and therefore can't build portfolio? Is this a vicious cycle? It's absolutely not. And in this video, I'm gonna show you 7 easy and practical ways how you can build portfolio in this early stage of your career. Stick around until the end of the video, because there I'm gonna show you how you can even make some good money while building your portfolio. Let's go! The first way is to create a travel video. Yes, to film and edit a video from one of your personal travels. And what I mean by travel video is not necessarily a big trip through Europe or some other part of the world. A simple 1 or 2 day travel to one of the cool places near where you live will do the perfect job. Even though it is not a type of video that you would do for a client, such videos show a lot of what you're capable of. Filming a travel also gives you an opportunity to just produce without any preparation, because basically you're just documenting what you are experiencing. And of course, make sure to put some good effort in editing. I personally once got a highly paid project, and later on, the manager of the project said that he chose me just because he loved one of the travel videos I did. So moving on to the second way to make portfolio, which is create a promo video for a friend who does something amazing. Think about what talents your friends or family members have that could look really nice on the camera. For example, if one of your friends is a fighter, film his training routine, and if possible, maybe a short sparring session. If one of your friends is a dancer, organize a shooting and capture his skills to the best of your ability. Now, the examples I shared are from the sports realm, but don't limit yourself to that. You can show almost any talent of the people around you in a cinematic way. And by creating a promo video for a friend, you will not only sharpen your portfolio, but will also get a lot of attention from their friends and family. And maybe, very likely, their word of mouth will someday bring you paying clients. The third way is to create a fake product ad. And by fake, I mean a video promoting a real product which nobody hired you to do. Back in the early days of my career, me and my wife shot a video about making Kelly popcorn and then mixing it with caramel. As a video ad, it doesn't make any sense, but we made sure to film it in a nice way, and I was actually able to present it as my portfolio when I was getting real requests to shoot a product ad. The client didn't think too hard about what was going on in the video, they just wanted to see some cool imagery, because that's what was important to be able to do on my end for their project. Here, just make sure you're not presenting a product in a negative way, because when making a fake ad, this might get you into trouble. And of course, do not claim this is an official ad or this big company really hired you or anything like that. So the very first idea I gave you in this video was to shoot a travel video. Now, the fourth way to add some good stuff to your portfolio is to create a video about your city. This one might be actually one of the easiest, because you know your city. You know the best spots and the overall vibe, which can determine how you shoot this video. Pro tip: do not overcomplicate it. Just go out and shoot for a few hours during sunset, for example. Make sure to get a good variety of shots, cover some most recognizable places, and add some spice in your editing. Now, for local clients, a video like this could be a very cool example of your work, especially if they're big fans of their city. So the fifth way is to work for someone as a second camera operator. This method is a bit different from others, because you are not building a portfolio which is fully your own, but you can collaborate with a more experienced filmmaker and help him out as a second camera operator in exchange for a permission to add this video to your portfolio, of course, as a co-creator. And if you do a really good job here, you can even build a good partnership with this person and create an additional source of income for your filmmaking business. Such partnership can be a huge deal breaker when it comes to turning your filmmaking craft into a real full-time thing. The sixth way to build a portfolio is to film an event for free. And guess what? By event, I don't mean a giant concert or a Formula 1 race. Offer to film someone's birthday party for free, or a local sports match, a small corporate party from your friend's work. The idea is that your offer should be a no-brainer to accept. Who doesn't want a free video? The most important thing is, of course, to mention that you want this video in your portfolio. Filming an event, you will encounter many people, so make sure not only to do a good job filming it, but also be a person people would like to work with. And believe it or not, you can actually offer to make a wedding video for free. Some couples only hire a photographer because of the limited budget. And if you know such couple personally or through your friends, you can easily offer them to make a wedding video for them. If they're comfortable with you as a person, your offer is a no-brainer. Same here, like everywhere. Make sure you agree that this video will go to your public portfolio. And trust me, this can get you into wedding filmmaking in no time. So, as promised at the beginning of the video, the 7th way to build portfolio in the early stage of your career while making money at the same time is to monitor urgent projects. Now, many filmmakers who are just starting out are very afraid of the competition. And this is understandable, because those who have been into filmmaking for a long time, they had enough time to develop some great creative and business skills in this field. But if you're a beginner, there is a very good news for you. Those established filmmakers are booked for months, even years ahead. But the need for video production, especially in big cities, is mind-blowing. Take the event industry alone. How many conferences, remote company get-togethers, and other things are happening every day. And guess what? The need for a filmmaker can come up very spontaneously. Either the planning wasn't perfect and the video crew was not hired on time, or a filmmaker who was initially hired got sick, for example. Here's how you can take advantage of it. Join all possible Facebook, Telegram, all other groups which have constant information flow of what is going on in your city. Many of those groups allow people to actually post information that this or this is happening and this or this service is needed. And if the project is urgent enough, it is very likely that you will not even be asked about your portfolio and you will get a properly paid job. Now here, I would not mention at the start that I would like to add the final video to my portfolio. I would treat it as a normal job and ask for permission later on. It is possible that the client will say no, but even in this case, you're profiting because 1, you got a paid video project, 2, you gained experience, and 3, if you did do a good job, it is very likely that this client will call you for the next project. And that's it, guys. My 7 practical suggestions how to create portfolio if you're just starting out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe for more, and until the next time, have a good one.